11 out of the 15 most recent trades have been profitable using this crypto scalping trading strategy. And that is a win rate of 73%, which is almost unbelievable. So this scalping strategy is amazing in trending and especially volatile markets, which Bitcoin definitely is. So if you want to make some money on a daily consistent basis, this video is for you. And first things first, you'll need a trading account, and on today's exchange you can claim a $3,000 long or short position. So this is perfect if you want to start out with trading. You don't need to do anything. All you need to do is create an account and your $3,000 trade will be deposited in your account. And this offer will only be available for a limited time only. So make sure to check out that first link in the description to see if this offer is still available. And if it's not, you can still get a deposit bonus of up to $15,000. So either way, make sure to check out that first link in the description to get the best possible deal. And when your trading account is all set, it is time to set up all the necessary indicators. So to start off with, you will need an account on TradingView, which is free to register. And then after that, go on to the Bitcoin chart and I'll delete all of these indicators and I will set them up again. So you want to click on the indicators tab, type in UTBot alerts, and add this indicator 2 times onto your Bitcoin chart. Then also type in EMA and add this indicator moving average exponential. So these are all the indicators we will need for this strategy to work. Now we will need to change some settings, which is going to be very important. So let's start off with changing our settings for our moving average. So let's go to the settings, change the style and go to the inputs tab and change the length to 200. And now we have a moving average, which is going to be indicating our trend. But still, we can see that these sell and these buy signals are all over the place. So first of all, we need to change our buy signal. We can do that by changing up this one to 4 and this one to 300, and also disable the sell signals. And right after that, let's also change up the sell signals. So now we pretty much have our buy and sell signals and our trend is indicated by this moving average. So now it is time for me to explain when this strategy works in the market, when to buy and when to sell, where to set your take profit and also your stop loss. So first things first, this strategy only really works whenever you are in a trending market and whenever volatile moves are happening. And this trend can either be in an uptrend or a downtrend like so. So whenever you have found a heavily trending market, and in this case an uptrending market, you want to have a look if the price is actually moving above the moving average. And whenever you have found a downtrending market, you want to have a look if the price is moving underneath this moving average. And then if the price is moving above this moving average inside of an uptrend at every single buy signal, you want to place a trade. Then what you want to do is enter right here at this buy signal, place your stop loss underneath the most recent wick towards the downside, set your take profit to a 1.5 risk to reward ratio. So in this case, all the way up right here. And as you can see, it perfectly hit our take profit. And just like all of these other trades, for example, right over here, we got our buy signal right actually above right here, and we could set our stop loss right underneath this previous wick and our take profit at a 1.5 risk to reward ratio. And as you can be seeing right here, we got filled with our take profit in this huge pump towards the upside. Now right over here, we actually got 2 losses because these 2 trades turned out to be losses. Probably because we were so far away from our moving average. But all of these other trades inside of this uptrend, well, they were all profitable. So let's right now have a look into a few shorting positions. Because right over here, we are actually in a downtrend, just like we already talked about in this intro of this video. Now over here we got our first sell signal getting triggered underneath our moving average inside of a downtrend. So we could enter right above right here and set our stop loss above our previous wick and set the take profit to a 1.5 risk to reward ratio. And as you can be seeing right here, this perfectly got filled and we perfectly did get a profit. Now also from of this one right here, it would be about the same with a stop loss above this previous wick and a risk to reward ratio at 1.5. And as you can be seeing from of this one as well, we got a very nice profit. And this one over here as well. Now this one was absolutely great, but as you can be seeing, set your stop loss above that previous wick and set your take profit to a 1.5 risk to reward ratio. And as you can be seeing, this one was once again a very nice profit. And right here as well, the last example, we got a sell order over here. Set your stop loss above that previous wick, set your take profit to 1.5 risk to reward ratio and enter your trade on BingX with that link down in the description to claim your free bonus. And boom, once again, you are in a very nice profit. So that is the strategy. Do keep in mind that trading is very difficult. It can literally be a full-time job if you are starting out with learning. With that kept in mind, this strategy definitely does work. But if you still experience any kind of difficulty, you have to find your personal edge. Maybe you just have to adjust your risk to reward ratio to your personal needs. And maybe you just need to add another indicator on top for more confluence. Now, I am not a financial advisor. This is all educational content only, but I can say from my experience that it will all be worth it when you will finally succeed.